You've heard it all before. Cut out that daily coffee and you'll save thousands, but here's the truth. Cutting out coffee alone isn't going to make you rich. Sure, saving $5 a day adds up, but that's not what's going to transform your financial life. If you really want to achieve wealth, there's something much more impactful you need to focus on. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why cutting out small luxuries like coffee won't lead to riches, and more importantly, what will. Let's start with the myth itself. Financial gurus and books love to say things like if you cut out that $5 daily coffee, you'll save $1,825 a year. While technically true, here's the catch. Will saving $1,825 make you rich? Not likely. What's worse is that this mindset gets people stuck on small thinking. You're focusing on cutting down your lifestyle, pinching pennies, and missing out on the bigger picture. Well, wealth doesn't come from saving a few bucks here and there. It comes from leveraging your money and making smart investments. I've been there too, stressing over small purchases, thinking if I could just save a little more, I'd be on my way to wealth. But once I shifted my focus from minor expenses to making more money and investing wisely, everything changed. So if cutting out coffee won't make you rich, what will? The real path to financial freedom comes from a combination of increasing your income, investing in assets, and leveraging your time and skills. Let me break it down into 3 main steps that I call the wealth building formula. Earn more, invest smart, leverage your time skills. First, you need to focus on increasing your income. The harsh reality is that if you're stuck on a single source of income, your growth potential is limited. Whether you're working a 9-to-5 or running a small business, you need multiple income streams to really scale. Tip 1. Start a side hustle. Look for opportunities in freelance work, online businesses, or consulting. Tip 2. Leverage the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit allow you to turn skills into extra cash. Tip 3. Invest in yourself by learning high-income skills like coding, marketing, or copywriting. By focusing on increasing your income instead of just cutting small expenses, you're positioning yourself to create exponential financial growth. Next up is investing smart. Saving alone won't make you rich, but investing can. The key to wealth is multiplying your money, and there are several ways to do that. Example 1, stock market. Even if you start small, investing consistently in the stock market through index funds or ETFs can grow your wealth significantly over time. Example 2, real estate. Buying property isn't just for millionaires. You can start with small investments or house hacking. Example 3, businesses. Investing in your own business or small venture can offer huge returns if done right. You don't need to be an expert in finance to invest smart. Start small, automate your investments, and focus on long-term growth. The third crucial step is leveraging your time and skills. You see, time is the most valuable asset you have, but many people spend it doing things that don't create value. Outsourcing and delegating. If you're running a business, start outsourcing the tasks that don't require your expertise. This frees you up to focus on high-value activities like strategy and growth. Automation. Automating mundane tasks using tools like Zapier or project management software can save you hours each week. Building scalable income streams. Look for ways to create income streams that don't require constant time investment, like selling digital products or building a content platform. The more you can leverage your time and skills, the more you can focus on growth activities that build wealth. Here's something most people overlook when trying to build wealth: mindset. It's not just about strategies and tools, it's about how you think about money and success. Abundance vs. Scarcity mindset. Instead of focusing on what you can't afford, focus on the opportunities to earn more and grow your wealth. Long-term thinking. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. You need to play the long game and stay consistent with your strategies. Growth mentality. Always be learning. Whether it's a new skill, a new business model, or a new investment opportunity, the more you know, the more you can grow. One of the biggest differences between wealthy people and everyone else is that wealthy people focus on building assets. Instead of just saving, they put their money into things that grow. Starting a business, whether it's an online store, a service-based business, or a digital platform, businesses can scale and become incredibly valuable assets. Real estate. Even if you start with a small rental property, it can grow into a powerful income stream. Investing in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and expertise are some of your biggest assets. Invest in courses, books, and training to increase your earning potential. So, what does it really take to achieve financial freedom? It's not about cutting out small luxuries or restricting yourself. It's about building a lifestyle where you can enjoy life and grow your wealth. Focus on income. If you want to create wealth, focus on increasing your income first. Whether through your career, side hustles, or businesses, find ways to bring in more money. Invest and multiply, don't just save. Put your money to work for you through smart investments and asset building. Leverage your time. By leveraging your time and skills, you'll be able to focus on activities that create exponential growth. Cutting out coffee may save you a few bucks, but if you really want to build wealth, it's time to think bigger. Focus on earning more, investing smartly, and leveraging your time to create real financial freedom. If this video opened your eyes to a new way of thinking about money, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you're ready to dive deeper into wealth building strategies, check out my free guide linked in the description below.